home. She says she's packing things and she's leaving the keys to the front door. Should I have known that it'll happen once again? Was it something I could have done to make her stay? And watch her turn around and find the freedom to walk out another day. I'm sick of this love, caught up in my fears and it's tearing me up. I'm so emotional. Ever since the situation, my mind's telling me I'm no good. Ever since you've been gone, I just ain't the same. There's no one else to blame. Oh, so emotional. I'm crying even though the tears are not falling from my eyes. So emotional, so emotional.